Hi guys, in this video we are going to take a look at how to find an intersection of the x-axis with a given line. One thing that you need to understand is sometimes the line does not intersect one of the axes. Sometimes it just goes either parallel to it or it could be skew. But let's see if this particular one does. So first I want to visualize it by using the CalcPlot 3D website. So I will add a space curve here and okay, I got 5 plus t for my x of t. And then I have minus 10 plus 10t for my y of t and negative 8 plus 8t. And let me change t from between maybe negative 5 to positive 5. Okay, so we can see that, that's a line, right? And does it intersect with the x-axis? Maybe. It does look like the point of intersection is 6. Now I can animate this if I go ahead and let me just make sure that nothing else is selected here. Deselect everything and let's just animate it. And so as t changes, we should eventually see a point on that line as it traces through it. Okay, there it is. You see how slowly it's going towards the x-axis and it should hit it. And see, let's see if I can. I stopped it almost there, right? But I think where it's gonna trace it looks like that would be at 1. Let's see if that's the case. Yep, it does. But how would I solve this algebraically? So I think the trace point is 600, but let's see why that's the case. So if I didn't see the graph. So what I do is understand that whenever we want to find intersection with the x-axis, on the x-axis, the x coordinate is not 0. This is your x coordinate, but the y and z coordinates are 0. And that has to happen for the same value of t. So if I were to set y equals 0 and z equals 0, let's see, from the first equation, if I add 10 to both sides, I get 10t equals 10, and that tells me that t equals 1. Now, plugging that into the last equation, I get also, looks like that satisfies, that value of t satisfies the last equation also. So that means that this line does intersect the x-axis, at which point, well, we just have to plug t equal 1. And if we plug t equal 1 into the first component, we get 6. And of course, the other ones are zeros because this is the x-axis.